Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the absolute best dividend stocks to buy this year. Well, almost this year, but in 2022. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, because hey, it really helps me out. But all of these stocks, guys, carry so much potential on their growth side, dividend side, and it's just a fantastic way to start compounding your account. And if you find it very hard to pick and choose these dividend stocks, I recommend an ETF like VIG. This is Vanguard's dividend appreciation ETF, so it virtually has a whole bunch of fantastic dividend stocks in it. And all of these stocks are going to be paying dividends. They're appreciating in value on the growth side and on the dividend side, so you can start building up a passive income stream. Fantastic ETF and one that I highly recommend. But starting off with the very first stock that I am going to be loading up on shares this year is ticker symbol HD. I've been buying this stock now for about 2 years, okay, and we've seen great growth. You can see where we did have that March crash where the stock did fall quite a bit. It fell about 40% of value in the matter of about 3 or 4 weeks. Now, during that time, there was a lot of uncertainty in the market. I really don't think we'll see that anytime soon. But from there, we've just seen a non-stop powerhouse of a company. From the lows there, it's gone up about 170%, which is beautiful growth. Not to mention, guys, you're going to be getting great growth out of this, and you're going to be getting paid $1.65 every single quarter. And I know a lot of you might be saying, well, Carter, that's not even that much. But hey, $1.65 compounded over 40 years could easily turn into thousands or hundreds and tens of thousands of dollars if you just use DRIP, which is the dividend reinvestment plan. So really what that means is for every dividend you get, you're going to reinvest it back into the company and start the snowball effect. So maybe, yes, the first year you only build up 1 share, so you only make $1.65. Then year number 2, you make you have 2 or 3 shares, and you just start the snowball effect of getting bigger and bigger. And before you know it, within a couple of years, you're going to be making a lot of money on growth and just off the dividends. Now, the second stock is ticker symbol TGT. This is a fantastic company and one that I would highly recommend. It's Target. Now, Target has some great growth numbers, as you can see, with a year-to-date return rate at about 17%. From the highs here, it's about 40%. So given that we've had a little bit of sell-off, that just brings a little bit of some opportunity. Target is not going anywhere anytime soon. We've seen great numbers for it. Not to mention, guys, over the past couple of years, we've seen great dividend growth from this. So if we look at this stock, you can see we've gotten dividends every single quarter of about 66 cents, which is pretty solid for a stock that's only about $2.24. But this thing has great growth, and Target has shifted to more of an e-commerce feel, and they still own the brick and mortar store, so they're not going anywhere. They're making a lot of money, and it's just one that I would highly recommend. Not to mention, it does have some great support near this 225 mark. So given that if you're going to be swing trading this, you could literally hop into this thing right now and possibly have a nice return of about 18% if it uses that as support. This is just a fantastic dividend stock. It's not going anywhere, has great fundamentals, and one that I would highly recommend picking up in the year of 2022. The last and final one is ticker symbol ALLY, also known as Ally Financial. Okay, Ally Financial, I've been buying this stock for about, I would say, a year. So not as long as some of my other ones, but you can see we've had this crazy crash where this stock literally fell 70% of value. People at the time freaking out, saying, this is the worst company ever. Why would you buy this? Then from there, it's been an absolute non-stop powerhouse, giving a return from the lows of about 330%. Now, the year-to-date return is looking at right at about 32%. That's very similar to like the S&P 500. From the highs, it's about 55%. Okay, support on this stock is going to be right here at this 90 moving average line. We've established support in the past there. You can see it hits it multiple times down in here, and I really think we've hit it right in here a couple of times, and we've just really established that as a lot very strong support. So given, yes, you could hop in right now and sell it at 56, but I really think the long-term the long-term feel and the long-term goal of Ally, I could easily see the stock hitting about $100 by probably late next year. The numbers on this company are very, very strong. This is an online bank. Their net profit margin and their expenses are extremely low just because they don't have any brick and mortar locations that pretty much run up expenses. This is all a online bank and they make a ton of money, and it's just one that I would highly recommend picking up. You're going to be getting great numbers on growth, and you're going to be getting paid $1.25 for a stock that's under $50. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. It's a fantastic stock. These are the top 3 stocks that I would recommend picking up for this year for the dividend side of building up a passive income stream. And if you don't know, go VIG all day long. That's what I would recommend, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, stay safe. Take care.